Tumba bakorentera mangana magia asenchira y'ubwikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi Ensoko TV obworoso bw'omugusi Tomo chago tengere meroberito yogosemia na gokumanya yago korekana kira rituko nabariki baitu beandrete chinga kichons asengencho yao eariganie asobo tengali botari no mubwekano Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi
Manjito murgeria wegeta Ensoko TV nigolireria bali na wika Chinsa Isano na Ibere chaboro mugaso chinga kina kwaliganiria Amayia asenchre wenge karansoike hinyare buna nitwa kwaliganiria nyere buna butambe asomtanda ito Facebook na otonyo live n'Ensoko TV YouTube n'Ensoko TV ironyare go kwaliganiria uso kwanyolera gati yatwa kwaliganiria mesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere na nche de anandemo Manjito murgeria tugocha kabene kera marigani agendete yo mu 2011 bwo kubekirwe gutwa borokwa wetani akiriwinye abagosomera umanyi bwe mitandao yekerero hasi skuru wetera umuroberio wa ajer hoyora korekaniri tsukuri ijuma heikeye nigime yegeti kyagusi stadium hoyoraragwe no mugavana we county ya Kisii nigomo principal wa mageria yo Ishmael Nyakoni ariganiri abananchi asomoroberio asatebire no muroberio yo nigokonyira abasaya bange wetanga na mariogo yogotindia na bego chimbwa chimbe
Itukalia rero no kwaregani abanafunzi baitu bali basomira manaintu kuru phase 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 up to 29 nganto bwata graduation irabo on Friday 25th ase stadium ito ya Gusii to wakiro mugava nitungambia mona asenje support yabasaye abatali kwenyala banyale ko bagotara esafari ya ito yogosomia mangana digital literacy mangana mental health mangana financial literacy amangana personal branding and marketing amangana career choices tuabere tokosoma mana barabuku last year. This will be our 11th graduation kisituwa chagete waigonto kole anniversary waso kwego ki kugo chaka program ya account yetu ya Kisii asili ya gatatu waigonto tuwalechi ward chinde chigo cha sengenje sherehe kuna mwanyerero ntubwata wanafunzi basomete ntubwata kuluchitago borabu waigonto bwata njoro bagocha gusanga sengencho ya graduation ye goto ko balega ne bonsi boigona bagocha mana baibuli baba mana basani linde gocha goshiriki Mamoganito maneno rati kogerez this occasion no yomento His Excellency the Governor Paul Simba Arati. A program yetu yabeire unabona tokosomia amangana a career choice. Amangana financial literacy. Tuabere tokosomi boigo abasaya bakwemanya. Nanga kiende elinde batikana na malioga mabeyo gotindi. This program tuabere toko champion umosaya kumanya na kumanye value ya yase society. Togwaka mbia mona ase abasaya bali basoke ntubwate organization togo partner manero ekuruku daraja mbili vision volunteers ekosomia mangana female genital mutilation na mangana gender based violence boigo babele bakwegeria abasaya ba enchire ya moyo guyanja boigo kwegeria abana abanyaruka na kibara bakwelenda amana amangana early pregnancies wose okonyora kwa abana mapema elinde betange gose bakora umuroberi umuya ukwirenda banyora chinda ashinga kichitagwene
Boigo abasaikuru ase county ya Kisii besokire na kugikira umuroberi nyota ase batebire buna nigo otaikiranitie eira yabo yoko batukera kibese ekyo konya batebiwe cyari kubakonya goncholia magimabo angimona sogochwakia oboncholia.
Kumekuwa tuna issue ya communication all over tangu hii kitu ianze kuanzia mwanzo. Hadi sasa hizi imefikia hapa, hakuna communication ya pesa inakuja saa ngapi. Jana ndio tuliambiwa pesa imechelewa, ati system imeharibika. Tukashangaa ni system gani imeharibika. Leo wanakuja walituambia wanatupatia pesa ya siku mbili zote ambayo ni serikali imetoa pamoja na World Bank wakifandi hii kitu ya nyota. Wanatupatia transport, wanatupatia lunch na breakfast ndio tuweze kuattend classes for those days zenye wameschedule tu hiyo training. Alafu wanafika leo they are coming with 300 shillings. What's 300 shillings? 300 shillings ni nini? That's what we are asking.
Hawataki kutupea pesa. Eti wanasema wanapeana 300 na wamepea phase 2 na sisi phase 1 hata hatujaona kwa klasi yetu wakituambia chochote. Sasa sijui wanataka aje, hebu watupee pesa, tumeacha watoto nyumbani wanateseka. Nani anawapigia saa hii?
Nipigiwa simu nikiwa Nairobi, nikatumia fare nikakuja Kisii. Nikaja kazi yangu nilikuwa nafanya, nikakuja ku train. Alafu wananipea 300 bwana.
Sasa wakatuambia ngoja kidogo, watu wameenda kulipa kwingine wanakuja. Tumengoja saa 10 na saa 8, saa 9, saa 10, saa 11, saa 12, saa 1, saa 2, saa 3.
Nabaigo aborokiwa kurasi skuru yobubundi ya Kim Kenya Institute of Management babolire obotendirwe skuru eyo gokora chinkwana igoro yogosiekwa we skuru eyo nakogayana igoro yobotukanu wensi bogendete kwenekiwa sabaterwe gosiekwa we skuru eyo nigokora turubanie amasomo mono asaborokiwa bali bagendete na masomo abo asiskuru eyo ya Kenya Institute of Management.
Now, in light of the recent public notice issued by the TVETA regarding the registration and licensing status of the KIM, I stand before you today as a representative of the student body to provide a necessary perspective on this developing situation. KIM is not merely a college. It is a national institution established in 1954, actually 7 decades. For over 70 years, it has been a cornerstone of management excellence in East Africa. The manager leaders currently driving Kenya's economy are products of this rigorous system. We must distinguish between the procedural, regulatory dispute and the undisputed quality of education provided by KIM. As students, we are the primary investors in the Kenyan education sector. We enroll in KIM in good faith, seeking to build our brands and careers. We view the TVETA notice not as a verdict of failure, but as a call for administrative alignment. We demand that the regulator recognizes the legitimate expectation of thousands of students who are currently in the middle of their modules. Our education cannot be paused by a press release. It must be protected by a partnership. While we respect the mandate of TVETA to ensure standards, we advocate for compliance over closure. An indefinite closure is a nuclear option that punishes the students for the administrative gaps of the institution. We are calling for a grace period and a structured corrective action plan that allows for the licensing of trainers and program approvals without disrupting our academic calendar. To my fellow students in all branches across Kenya, I urge you to maintain managerial discipline. That is who we are as the reputation of KIM. As future leaders also, we do not react to crisis with panic. We react with strategy. Do not abandon your modules. That means you should stay in your classes. Stay informed, rely on official communication from student leadership and management.
Oigo mubungo Embakasi East Babo Wino debire buna baye ariganitie kwenekia buna ngo swabare asenyumba yoburai eiba chikolenta erokolese kolentera abananchi amagendero naboigo gwikirania amagani y'abananchi nigaya kwanaya ase ebunge ya Embakasi East chinga kyari kubwatuka kibasari hocha saborokiwa bechinsemecho.
Na muhimu zaidi ni kuangalia 2032. Watu wote wenye wanaenda rais sahi wamalizane 2027. 2032 sisi tuingie pale State House. Si ni ukweli? Si ni ukweli? Sisi tutajipanga. Nawaambia. Na si mnaona kila siku venye tunaelekea inakuja karibu. Na 32 bado nyinyi wote mtakuwa. Si ni miaka ngapi hapa sahi? 27 to 32 ni ngapi? Ni 5. Na sahi ni 1. So in 6 years time, 6 years utakuja ukojoe State House. 6 years time. Si hiyo ni karibu sana? Si ni karibu sana? Kwa sababu watu ambao wako kwa umri wetu washakuwa marais. Burkina Faso amekuwa rais akiwa 32 years. Si ni rais? Hata kama alichukua, si amechukua, ni rais. Ukiona kule Madagascar aliingia na 35 years old. Ukiona kule Libya Gaddafi aliingia na 28 years old. Ukiona kule juzi Nepal walichagua kiongozi wao akiwa 35 years old. Hata Museveni aliingia akiwa 28 years old. Jamani, sisi hatutaki tukae hii siasa milele. Tunataka tubadilishe maisha ya watu. Hatutaki tukishafika 80 years ndio sasa tunatafuta power. Hiyo 80 years tutakuwa tunalinda wajukuu wetu. Si ni ukweli? Sisi tukiingia 32 mpaka 42 tumemaliza mambo ya siasa yetu. Kwa hivyo in the next 16 years, si ni 16, siasa tumemaliza. Sasa tunarudi tu huku, tunaona venye biashara yako inaendelea vizuri, mtoto wako aliwekwa mahali yako sawa, nyinyi ndio sasa mnanitumia M-Pesa, airtime. Si hiyo itakuwa maisha poa? Sawa sawa. So wacha tujipange na tuombee watu wetu wa Embakasi East constituency. Mimi huwa nawaombea kila siku na nitazidi kuwaombea. Tuombee, hii ndio familia yetu. Na hii familia yetu haina ukabila. Manake kabila yako ni yule ambaye anakaa karibu na wewe. Yule ndiye anajua shida yako. So hii ndio kabila yetu. Embakasi East sisi wote venye tuko hivi, tuko kitu kimoja. Kwa sababu shida zetu ni sawa. Shida ya Mkikuyu na Mkalenjin ni sawa. Ya Mjaluo na Mkamba ni sawa. Ya Mkisii na Mluya na Mtaita ni sawa. Shida ya Mkenya ni shida ya Mkenya.
Naboigo abanyanyimbe 150 kurwa sense ya Kenya obachete gutinyo bolindi mensi ya ahite nigo bona bairanire mensi ya Kenya nigo baliganiwa no mo inspector general b'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kancha asegeti ky'abanyanyimbo gya Jomo Kenyatta asebatebiwe beariganie asobochori bo mwaka gocha.
That you are joining us at a moment when we need everybody as we prepare for the upcoming general elections that will be holding next year in our country, whereby each and every police officer will count in ensuring that we have the right environment to allow the people of Kenya exercise their civic duty, a democratic duty to elect their leaders.
I want also to thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya for his steadfast support all time, always, that has made us to reach where we are because of the steadfast support. Officers, welcome back home. This is the Kenya you left, and you are most welcome back. I want to assure you that we will take care of you and we will assist you where necessary.
Mwaziri w'obochenu Aden Duare hoikiranire mutu ya komiti ya Senate asaringorigwa igori ensemo y'obochenu bakumurikira murobirio sha nabo igo murobirio o edu yokorokonga education health program. Duare nigatebire buna makabe sonsi zo murobirio o edu afya nigo arabega wakanwa goikiro mutinyogo cha tariki 5 na 3.
And the rest of the pending claims under Edu Afya medical scheme will be settled once and for all. Honorable Speaker, the total pending claims, specifically for the defined Edu Afya medical scheme, currently stand at 735,822,556. And I have categorized group life and life last expense amounts to 116 million. Inpatient claims is about 320,550,523. Outpatient claims is 299,271,833. And with the 116 million for group life and last expense being settled on or before 8th of May, the balance of 619,822,356 remains for outpatient and inpatient claims. This remaining hospital claims shall systematically be settled against the broader debt of NHIF legacy debt upon the availability of funds. And Honorable Chair, as I promised last time, to accelerate this, because the legacy debts of the former NHIF affects our health facilities, the National Treasury has allocated 4 billion in the recent supplementary budget, and that will cater for people who we owe between 1 shilling to 10 million, accounting for 92% of the total debts of the former NHIF. And I intend, after the ongoing verification, to put the remaining balance of the legacy debts of NHIF in the next financial year.
Chingaki kiombe ky'obuchori n'ekimbebe IEBC kigendet kubabarira abakenya motukatigarite yo kubwate kura bono nigabarai au kurase county ya Homa Bay ne county ya Siaya besokire na kuboria abamenyi b'Chinseme cy'wesokya sobonge iribanyare bakubwate kura nabayigo kubachora barayi bari batagite asobochori bo mwakogocha.
Moses the acting commission secretary and CEO of the IEBC. We have had several discussions. We have had meetings this morning with the leadership of the county, from the government side and from the IEBC side, and especially from our side as the IEBC. We are just looking at where we stand right now as Siaya. And we are not doing very well as a county in terms of the voter registration, new registration data. And we have sat today and agreed to re-strategize on how we are going to approach the last few days that are remaining. And one thing that is very clear is that we need a concerted effort from both the political leadership of Siaya and us as IEBC to work together to reach out to as many people as possible, because what is coming out clearly is that though our teams are quite spread out there and are available at every ward, we still have a challenge with so many uncollected IDs that are lying out there. Still have a challenge with people coming out to really participate, even those who have collected the IDs. And therefore, we also have several young people who don't have IDs or coming to us with waiting cards. And we are therefore encouraging and just letting know the people of Siaya that as IEBC, we have rolled out and even doubled our efforts to reach you as close as possible. Take advantage of the presence of our teams in every ward, take advantage of our communication, our schedules, so that then you can come and be registered as we go towards the end of the process.
Na wikira womanjito mulgeria bwigeta sengen soko TV nongotera Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere korenchukara Chinsa 10 no nyore ayanda mange na bwigense mu yabono margoba na Chinsa isato chamargoba no nyore bunaba saki baitu bagende tukwelekya bunango koletera bala centra yobokera no korenda swaniga genda uchengera mere betu migeta sengen soko TV ndo chetoldia somoro biyo oya oikiranire gaiga munyari mokwego kyabuna butambe Chinde na ndemo na biga butu akonya nabo kurwa studio ya kabire director Uncle Jang na biga director Zack na boba ine kirebuna mali gine chibi chango gukirare asentra yo wikirano